Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is about what is the past, present and future of your relationship. And these are the cards for your past, these are for your present, and these are for your future. And the others are the outcome or advice for you. Okay, this is for the both of the piles, and you have to choose one pile. Whichever you are attracted most, please choose that one. And I am going towards the pile number 1. Okay, those who choose the pile number 1 or the crystal swan paperweight, your first card is your past with that person, the relationship with that person in your past. That is a good beginning, that is the good start, and you are happy with them, you are happy in this relationship, you are having family with them, and you are enjoying that time, and you both are thinking about each other. A good start, this is a good start, and this is in your past, you are very happy with them. The other card is the word card. With this card upside down, I think you have stopped some kind of change over here. I think that maybe in your past, in this time, you are not married with each other, but you are met with each other, and you have desire for each other, you are in love with each other, you want to begin something new. I think for some of you this is the situation, and for the others, in this relationship, this will stuck somewhere over here, and you want to move it forward. Because of some situation, this will stuck over here. Okay, with this justice card, there is no justice over here, nobody going to do something over here. This will stop, and somebody is not participating in this situation. Maybe your parents are not agreed with this relationship, or someone is not agreed with it, and you have the clarity over that situation, that what is this relationship to you, how do you care about them, if you want them really in your life or not. Yes, you have the clarity about that relationship in the past, and you are heartbroken. You know something about them, maybe this is the third party situation, they have someone with them in their life, and they are not telling you about this. Yes, definitely, that's why there is this justice card in reverse, because I think that they don't want you, and they have someone else in their life, and they had broken your love, your heart. Oh no. Okay, then 10 of Pentacles, but still your relationship going on, you are making this, you are holding on it and taking it to other level, and rather your heart is broken, but you are taking this situation to the other level. Okay, now you are very isolated about this situation, you are very you are like a king of swords, Libra, Aquarius or Gemini, and maybe you want to decide something over here, you want to cut someone from your life, you want to divorce them, or you are thinking about them. Okay, you are thinking about them, you have this their head under your feet, your shoe. Maybe you are torturing them at that situation, at that point, and something is changing in between you about that relationship. And with this page of cups upside down, definitely you have no love for them with this situation, when you know that they are not for you, they not love you, they don't love you, and they have someone else in their life. you have no love for them anymore. And with this nine of cups, but you still want to fulfill your desire with them. Maybe you just want to have them in your life and spend some time, some nights with them. Or maybe you want them to change, you want them to change themselves for you, to love you, to care about you, to think about you, and leave that the past person behind. And in your present, Ace of Pentacles, you want to begin something new with money, maybe for them, to make them happy, to control their desire, to make them come back to you. And with this King of Cups, you have still love for them in your heart. You still love them. You want them to come back. This is the Cancer card. There is the crab over here, and crab is the sign for Cancer. And you want them to be like a couple. You both want to be like a couple and love each other. You are protecting this relationship over here. Something hiding over here, and you are holding your heart in your hand for them. You are the king of the love. Maybe you are here the father of their children, or you just have the love for them. Okay. Or maybe this is also the situation that their father asked them to live with you. They forced them to do it. Okay, once again the Justice upside down. With this Judgment card, I think that somebody wants to take a step or decide something, and that decision is not good. And they are not able to make any decision. That decision is not good, and the Goddess of Justice will punish them with that Justice card upside down. Then your future cards coming up. Porcupine is very protective energy. They are protecting themselves, their loved ones, their children, and they have the spines over their body. That's how they are protecting themselves. And I think you are protecting yourself now. Now you are protecting yourself from them, because you know that they are not good for you. They have no desire for you, no love for you in their heart. And you are being very protective over here about this situation. You know that they will leave anytime. They will leave you anytime. Yes, I think that this is for that. Okay, Bear. Somebody here is very protective, very loving, very caring, and they are I think you have a child with that person, and you are care for that child. That's why you don't want to leave that person. And the Bear is a good mother, good father. They are loving their children, and they are protecting them. Lazy little bit, and yes, I think you don't like coldness, that someone rejected you or something like that. Uh-huh. Yes, they are rejecting you, and you are not happy with this situation. Now with this Moth card. Moths are the creature of night, I can say. They are active at night. They are going through different stages of their life. They have lot of experience because of their life. Something happened to them, and they can take from others to live. I think that person loves someone else, and they are stuck with you, and they use you for their goodness, for their happiness. They don't like you, and that's why they are like a moth energy. They're having the moth energy. And they can make their own way to live, not need anyone. Anti-social, sensitive. They are antisocial and sensitive. Own joy. They have their own joy. They have their own lover. Okay, and suck the happiness of others. They are sucking your happiness, definitely. Little understanding. Having no time for others. They have no understanding for you. Blood feeder, weak creature, enjoying their life, creator as writer or oracles. I think with this creator as a writer oracle, you have to go to more tarot readers for your this situation. And this person is not a good person. They are using you, definitely. Also give joy to others, non-stop going, active more than resting in good for them, produce and produce, rest and stop when your body needs. Yes, they have to stop thinking about that person. They are still thinking of that person. I think you have baby with them, but they at this time already they have that person in their mind. Very good sense of smell, honor your intuition, be logical. They need something to happen to raise their ability of great work. Intuition is main part to find life partner. Maybe they are ignoring you, and for that they stuck themselves into the work. They dug themselves into the work, and they are pretending that I am doing the work, but the reality is that they want to get away from you as far as possible, as long as the possible. Intuition is main part to find life partner. Little bit here the angels are telling you that you need more clarity, or more you had need more clarity, or more search to marry this person. You have to do it before you make the relationship with them. Little bit personally attentive. Please respect your person of space. Drama queen and kings. If you are not aware or conscious of them, they can drive you seriously. If you are not following your intuitions, then you will fall a ruler. Yes, the angels are telling you that follow your intuitions if you want to. This is I think a little bit, this energy is of high priestess. Think with your mind. If you want to leave that person, this person is not good for you. If you want to leave that person, then please leave them. This person is not good for you. With this separation card, definitely you are going to have the separation with that person. This is good for you. This is also the advice for you in this situation. Time apart from your partner is on the horizon. Yes. And with attraction, you still have the attraction with that person. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. And reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life. Yes, I think you are going to attract by someone else. After you are separating by that person, after you are getting divorced by that person, you are going to attract by to someone else, and you are going to reconcile with that person. And yes, that person in your past life. Okay. And with this violet angel breaking dawn, it's mean that this situation will go nowhere. That will bring you the darkness, the death, the ending, and you have to end this situation and this relationship over here in your future. This is good for you. Okay. Okay, I want to pull some more cards for you. Your conversation with your partner. Okay, your first conversation with them is thrones in the path. Yes, definitely this third party is the throne in the past, and This is the situation between you both. There is third party situation in this relationship. Yes, universe are telling you that there is this third party situation in this relationship. My sister is not agree. Maybe that person is telling you that their sister is not agree with this relationship. They are the one who make the boundaries between you both. This is over now. They are telling you this is over now. I don't want to take it anymore. I don't want to be with you anymore. Sweet memories. This is the situation between you both. I can do anything for you. This is you. You are telling them that I can do anything for you. Please don't break this. Don't leave me. I am happy in my life. They are telling you I am happy in my life. I don't want you. I don't need you. Okay. It's up to me. They are telling you that it's up to me whether I want to live with you or not. And the other card is we are the couple forever. You are telling them that we are the couple forever. And my father is not agree. Also their father are not agreed with it. They want you them to leave you. I am waiting for you. You are telling them that I am waiting for you. Come back, dear. Okay, don't do it again. They are telling you don't do it again. Don't make me feel restricted, or don't force me to do anything. Okay, I can feel better with you. You are telling them that I can feel better with you, or this is vice versa. But with according to this reading, this is what you are saying to them. I can feel better with you. Bring me stars. They are telling you bring me stars. Then do what I say to you. I think this is water signs. Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. They are telling you to do for me this and this and this. Or maybe you have the third party situation, and that's why they are angry with you. They are upset with you. You are in my dreams. You are telling them that they are in your dreams. You are apologizing to them. My heart is broken. They are telling you my heart is broken because of you. You have the third party situation and you never tell me about this. Now this situation reveals to their family, and they are telling them, your partner, to leave you. You are always in my mind. You are telling them that you are always be in my mind. Okay, release your ex. Yes, you are telling them release your ex. They are not good for you. Maybe this situation is not for the other person. They are not in love with some other person. Maybe they are following their parents and their family, and they are listening to them, and they do as they tell them to do. And that's why your heart is broken, or you are doing this and their heart is broken. Don't listen to them. You are telling them, or they are telling you that don't listen to them. This is the situation between you both. Thrones in the path. They, the other persons that you are followed or you are loved with, that they are the thrones. And there is a third party situation in this relationship, and definitely there is a such third party situation. And sweet memories. This will go nowhere, because they are not going to leave that person, and they don't want to live with you anymore. They want to end this right now. Maybe they are not talking to you. They are they want to leave you and something like this. But this situation is definitely going towards a separation, and then you will have the other person in your life. Okay, this is your situation. This is your reading for now. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. And if you want to know more about your situation, then go watch my previous videos. And if you want to watch my upcoming videos, you can you have to subscribe and press the bell icon, so you can get my all new readings, and you will surely get some help from there. with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Why I'm going to the reading number 2. For those who chose the pile number 2 or this polar bear crystal paperweight, the first card is this is from your past life, your relation in your past life, and the two of cups is upside down in the reverse position. You both have no desire, no love for each other. You are stuck over this situation. You don't want to move forward with each other. You don't want to love each other. You don't want to even see towards each other. And the emperor, this is also in reverse position, there because you are not mature as mature, and you are not having making the good decision. This is not good to leave each other. This is not good to not to love somebody, and you want to win something, and you are not going to win this because I think you want someone else, and or you are not in love with that particular person, and you don't want them in your life, but this they are in your life at that time. And you definitely, with ace of cups upside down, you have no love for them. This is the card of love, the hurt, the passion, but this is upside down and you have no love for them. Three of wands, you are no longer waiting for good time for them or for someone else. You are not waiting for anyone. You are so disheartened, you are so miserable over here. You don't want to think about anything. You are not waiting for them or someone else. Okay, the 10 of cups upside down in reverse position. This will also show that you have no desire for that person, and you want to break that situation, that relationship with them. And with this the hanged man, you are wise over here. You are doing something right, or you are going to do something right. You know what is good, what is wrong, and you are going to do something right. Okay, I think you want to leave them, or they want to left you. They had left you, or maybe this is vice versa. This is not you who is not happy with them. This is them, because this reading is about both of you. So maybe this person is your person who don't want to live with you, and they are leaving you. They are or you are leaving them, and at this moment the person that had left behind, they are alone over here. Or maybe this is a money situation. Okay, this person leave you. Then in present, I think they have love for you in their heart. They are once again they are thinking about you. They have the love for you. They know how many how many problems you have made for them, or what have you done to them. You love them or something like this, and they are coming back to you. Yes, definitely they are going to take the leap of the faith. I think they are Aries and they are coming towards you. They are happy now with you. They are thinking that this is good to love you. They have the love for you and they are coming back, and they think that they are stuck over here. So maybe because of this coronavirus situation or something, they think that this will never ever going to be happen. Maybe they think that you will never forgive them or accept their love, and that's why they are thinking about that situation. They are sad about the situation. In your future, open, you are open to them and they are open to you. You are going to talk to each other openly, and you are telling them that what you have in your heart for them and what they have in their heart for you. Yes, something is changing over here, and you two, both of you hearts are coming closer to each other. This, I think this there is some party, some celebration, maybe marriage is happening over there. You both are open to each other. Sparrow, I think this situation, they are or you are, maybe you both are innocent. You are loving, caring, and innocent person. If you want to go towards them, this person is innocent. They have no bad thinkings, no bad desires towards you. They are not going to backstab you. You can easily go towards them. Okay, open minded. And to do this, you have to be open minded. You both are now in this situation, you are both are open minded, and you want to go toward each other. That is not happening in the past, but this something is changing in the present, and it will happen in the future. Yes, open minded. You both are open minded, and you both are coming towards each other. Okay, love yourself first. Your self respect makes you more romantically attractive, but you are not doing it. You are not respecting yourself. You are not loving yourself. I think you love that person, or that person loves you, and you are not thinking about them. Some vice versa situation is a unrequired love. This is the unrequired love. There is not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. Maybe one of you have they don't have love in their mind. They only want to have this relationship because of some problems or something over here. But there is no love in this situation. Soulmate, yes, this is your soulmate, and this card is upside down. That means that you are not thinking that this person is your soulmate, and you both are not with love with each other. I think one of you want to take a revenge with other. Maybe it's you, because they had left you. You had done something, a lot of things for them, or maybe you never left them, and they are coming towards you, and you both are open minded, but there is no love in this situation. Okay, snow angel, the signs are with you already. The signs are with you already, and it's mean that the angels are with you, and the sign is this, that they are coming towards you. You both are going to marry. Okay, and grumpy red fairy, be your true self, and you are not showing your true self. You have something in your mind for them. You want to betray them, you want to backstab them, or something in your mind for them, and you are not showing your own self, and you are lying to them. I want to take some more cards for you. Okay, my heart is broken. Someone is telling that my heart is broken. Maybe it's you, or this is that person. Someone is telling that my heart is broken, I am coming. The other is telling that they are coming, and my brother is not agree. This goes there. The person that are telling that their heart is broken, they are also telling that their brother is not happy with it. Goodbye, that person is telling the other is that this goodbye, and you are stalking me, and that person also telling the other that they are stalking them, and you can take it as it resonates you. Hidden desires, you have somebody have this hidden desires for the other. Will you sacrifice for me? This part of person, they are telling that if you sacrifice for me, you destroy my life. They are telling that you destroy my life, now you have to sacrifice for me. I love you, and this person is telling that they love the other person. Sweet memories, they have the sweet memories of that person in their mind. That's why they are coming towards that person. It's up to me, and they are telling that it's up to me. Okay, yes, the person that who loves the other, he telling that it's up to me, I am going to make it. Okay, and with this other card, nobody can take us apart. They are telling you, or the person is telling the other that nobody can take us apart, I will do it, this is up to me, I can make it. Okay, I am lost, please show me the way. Maybe this is the other person that asking for the help, and I cannot forget you. They are telling the other, this part of the person telling that I cannot forget you, I cannot forget you. Okay, they are telling that they are not going to forget you. I have so many girlfriends and boyfriends. Maybe this person are telling, or the other person, that they have many girlfriends or boyfriends, that they are open to you, and they are telling you open-mindedly, I am your greatest enemy. This person telling that you had left me, now I am your greatest enemy, I am coming towards to have a revenge, don't do it again. They are, yes, they are telling you that don't do it again, don't leave me again, I can do anything for you. And that type of part of person are saying that they I can do anything for you, they can do anything for this person. And take it as resonates you, as it resonates. And if you are this type of person, you had left them, if you are this type of this person that they had left you, then take this. And if you are the person that's in the current time in love with them, then this is you. And this is the situation for you for now. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. And if you want to know more about your situation, then please go and watch my previous videos. You can also see my upcoming videos. For that you have to subscribe and press the bell icon, so you can get my all upcoming videos. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes, bye. We will see you at next time.